The governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, has urged the people of the state not to vote for any party or candidates who do not mean well for the state and its development. Governor Wike, who stated this in his New Year broadcast, said voters in the state must shun those who would fail the state and neglect its aspirations.
It is barely 5 months for us to exit the stage for our successor, but our commitment to more project delivery and better the laws of our people is still strong. We must vote wisely and only for a party and candidates that love Rivers State and are ready to advance and defend its interests, not those candidates who would fail the state and neglect our aspirations for development. It is not in our character to interfere with or limit the constitutional rights of politicians and their parties to hold electionary campaigns and canvass for votes across the length and breadth of the state. But we must be reminded that the laws and regulations restricting open political activities in public schools and residential areas are being implemented to prevent the destructive tendencies and public nuisance usually associated with such events when things go wrong.
Governor Wike acknowledged that 2022 was another challenging year for Nigeria and the generality of our people due to the dire economic situations that had prevailed for too long. For the governors of Rivers, he declared that it had been a mixed bag of challenges, excitement and fulfillment since 2015.
Going around the state, we can see several private and public investment projects in Port Harcourt and other places indicative of the healthy state of the economy, investors increasing confidence on the economic benefits derived from the modern infrastructures were provided, which has no equal across the country. Finally, as we usher in and celebrate the new year 2023 with utmost optimism, let us remain vigilant and continue putting Rivers State and our lives in God's safe and caring hands. I wish everyone a happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.